Hi all, welcome to Simple Engineering, Engineering Simplified. I am Neetu Rahul. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we are going to discuss about the response of undamped second order system for a unit step input. Let's move to the video. Response of undamped second order system for unit step input. So, in order to find the response, we have to consider the closed loop transfer function of a second order system. So, closed loop transfer function of a second order system is denoted as C of S by R of S is equal to omega n square by S square plus 2 zeta omega n into S plus omega n square. This is the standard form of the closed loop transfer function. So this you have to remember this, then only we can solve this response. So C of S by R of S, this is the equation. And we are going to find the response of undamped. So the case undamped, that is for undamped system, theta value is equal to 0. So we know that our equation is omega n square by S square plus 2 zeta omega n into S. So this damping ratio theta is equal to 1. So this term will be equal to 0. So for the undamped system, C of S by R of S is equal to omega n square by S square plus omega n square. Theta is equal to 0. So this term will become 0. Next is, it is written here, that is, you have to find the response for unit step input. So we know that for unit step input, R of t will be equal to 1 and R of S is equal to 1 by S. So you have to substitute over here. So our C of S will be equal to omega n square by S square plus omega n square into R of S. So we are taking unit step input. So our R of S will be equal to 1 by S. So C of S is equal to omega n square by S square plus omega n square into 1 by S. So this equation you have to find the partial fraction. So finding partial fraction, C of S will be equal to A by S plus B by S square plus omega n square. That is, here it will be omega n square by S into S square plus omega n square. This equation we can find the partial fraction by finding A by S plus B by S square plus omega n square. So we have to find the solution of A. So A will be equal to C of S into S. So this is our C of S. So C of S means this one, omega n square by S into S square plus omega n square. So C of S will be equal to omega n square by S into S square plus omega n square into S. And the condition is that at S is equal to 0. So this S and this S will get cancelled. So you will get omega n square by S square plus omega n square, and the condition is S is equal to 0. So this will become 0. So you have final answer as omega n square by omega n square, which will be equal to 1. So the value of A is equal to 1. So we have got the value of A. Next is we have to find B. So B will be equal to, you have to find B, which is obtained by, you have C of S is equal to omega n square by S into S square plus omega n square into S square plus omega n square, that is the denominator of your B term. Here we have B by denominator is S square plus omega n square. So you have to multiply that, and this S square plus omega n square is equal to 0. So S square will be minus omega n square. So S will be, so you can write it as, this will be S square is equal to minus omega n square or j omega n, at S is equal to S square is equal to minus omega n square. This one and this one will get cancelled. So your B will be equal to omega n square by S, at S square is equal to minus omega n. So S will be equal to j omega n. So you have to substitute instead of S j omega n. So your B will be equal to omega n square by j omega n. Omega n and this omega n will get cancelled. So you will get omega n by j. J you can take to the numerator side. So B will be equal to minus j omega n. So you have got A and B. A will be equal to 1 and B will be equal to minus j omega n. So here C of S is equal to A by S. What is our A? Which is equal to 1 by S, and B is equal to minus j omega n by S square plus omega n square. So this will be the transfer function. C of S is equal to, so this j omega n means it is our S. Here we have already done S is equal to j omega n. So instead of j omega n you can write it as S. So this will be equal to 1 by S minus S by S square plus omega n square. So C of S will be equal to 1 by S minus S by S square plus omega n square. And what we have to find? We have to find the response. So response means in time domain, that is C of t will be equal to 1 by S means it is 1 minus S by S square plus omega n square, which will be equal to cos omega n t. So C of t will be equal to 1 minus cos omega n t. So this will be the response of undamped second order system for a unit step input. So if we plot that in the graph, you will get here t and C of t will be the output. So 1 minus cos omega n t means cos will be like this. So you will get the graph like this. So that is about the response of undamped second order system for a unit step input. So hope this is clear for everyone. If you find this useful, please share it with others. Thank you.